Hi, it's Brandon from All American Thrills. You are watching our latest construction update of Hershey Triple Tower, under construction at Hersheypark. Work continues at the construction site as we have a brand new construction fence up, as well as signage talking about what Triple Tower is. So guests walking in the area and they see the construction going on, now they'll know that they're building the first Choose Your Thrill Triple Tower in the United States in this area. And here we go. Work continues very quickly at the construction site. So now all three kiddie rides have been removed from this area. As mentioned in our previous updates, all three are being relocated elsewhere in the park. But in our first two updates, Frog Hopper was still in place. So now in this update, all three are gone. Frog Hopper's concrete has been busted up. Leveling and site prep continues. Considering all of the rebar now in the area, it appears that it won't be much longer before concrete starts being poured. And you can see Frog Hopper near where it's going to be relocated at the former site of Flying Falcon. So riding the Kissing Tower now to get a phenomenal bird's eye view of the construction site. And now riding the monorail. So you can see, in just 2 weeks of construction, clearly wasting absolutely no time with construction of Triple Tower, as it is scheduled to open for springtime in the park, which is early April 2017. It is very exciting to see this area changing so much and so quickly, as eventually the skyline of this area and the park will change forever. Thank you for watching this update of Hershey Triple Tower. Make sure you subscribe to AltView here on YouTube so you always know when we post a family-friendly theme park video. Additionally, be sure to like All American Thrills on Facebook, follow on Twitter and Instagram, and visit our website, allamericanthrills.com, for tons of family-friendly theme park content, videos, updates, and other information. Again, thank you for watching this update. We will see you next time, everyone. Bye-bye.